In this video, we will show you how to replace your tailgate cable on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted to the body of your vehicle and to your tailgate. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on replacing our tailgate cable. As you can tell, ours is broken. To remove this, we'll start up at the body of the vehicle. You'll find that you have a small clip that you can gently pry using a screwdriver. Once you've done that, we'll push this cable so that the slot lines up with the corresponding stud here. You can tell it's wide open and it will slide out of place. Now we can make our way down to the tailgate. On the tailgate, you'll find that you have a T45 Torx head screw to remove. Remove your cable and set it aside. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our brand new tailgate cable. We'll start at the tailgate. We'll get this aligned and put in that mounting bolt. You want to make sure you start this in by hand so you're sure it does not cross thread into place. That can cause damage. Let's make sure this is nice and tight. Bottomed out right there. Give it a little extra. Make sure that this can still pivot. Now let's make our way up to the body of the vehicle. To install this on the body of the vehicle, we want to align this large hole with the stud on the body of the vehicle. To do that, you can lift up on the tailgate a little bit to give yourself some slack. We'll press this in, lock it in, double check to make sure it cannot come free on its own, and now you can rest the tailgate in the down position. We'll just test its functionality. The process for one cable will be the same for the other. Once you've done that, go ahead and close that tailgate. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.